Last year alone, 6.8 million people bought smartwatches. And with the new release of Apple Watch, the number is expected to quadruple by the end of this year. So once you bought your smartwatch, what do you do with it? Are you going to count your steps? Boring. Are you going to track your calories? Boring. So you see, this is a huge disappointment for anyone who has their smartwatch. Because your smartwatch is capable of so much more. Imagine you're going home from a business meeting with your hands full, and you would like to request an Uber car. Instead of putting down your stuff and taking your phone out of your pocket, unlocking it, and going to the Uber app and setting up the pickup, you can instead simply draw a big U shape in the air, and your smartwatch will understand that. And your Uber car will be on the way to your location. This should not be science fiction. It can be done today. Your smartwatch has powerful sensors inside waiting to be utilized just like this. But why hasn't this happened yet? Well, unlike a keyboard, which produces a letter U every time when you press the U key, the smartwatch sensor produces different sensor readout every time, even when you perform the same gesture. And this variation makes it impossible for the developers to directly interpret the user intent from the smartwatch users. That's why you haven't seen those truly useful apps for smartwatch nowadays. Hi, I'm George Chen from SenseWatch, and we are providing the tools for smartwatch users and developers to simplify the process of creating powerful sensor-based smartwatch applications. What we have built is an API, or in other words, a library of functions that allows the developers to easily interpret the gesture and vital signs from the smartwatch. And this will allow them to integrate and customize those functions to their apps using only few lines of code, without worrying about all the complicated stuff behind it. To demonstrate the value of our APIs, we have developed example gesture and vital sign recognition apps that allows you to interact with the environment in a whole new way. Say you're driving and you would like to focus on the road. With our app, by snapping a finger in the air, you'll be able to navigate to your next appointment and text that person you're on the way to that location. Say you're walking home and get hot and sweaty because of Houston's summer weather. And your smartwatch will understand that, and it will turn the air conditioner at your home to its maximum power. Those are only few examples of what our API is capable of. Well, there are several hardware-based solutions for gesture recognitions only out there in the market, namely Microsoft Kinect, Leap Motion, and Mio. But based on our 100+ user interviews, the user don't like the burden of extra piece of hardware as well as the limitations those hardware have. What they really desire is something they can use anytime and anywhere that understand the context and actually help them to simplify their life. And this is exactly what we are providing in your smartwatch. So the sample apps we've developed are actually part of the two-step go-to-market strategy. The first step is to provide those apps for free to the end users through the App Store. This will allow us to start aggregating data to refine our backend machine learning algorithms. And moreover, this will allow us to validate and showcase the demand for sensor-powered smartwatch applications to the developers. And next, we'll provide our APIs to the developers in a SaaS model, charging them monthly based on the volume of usage. By 2018, there is expected 220 million smartwatch users. And our team is very capable of tapping into that fast-growing smartwatch app development market. Our team consists of Dalu, myself, and Jie. Dalu and I are both PhD students at Rice University with a background in machine learning and signal processing. And Jay is a computer science undergraduate who has rich experience in developing for wearable platforms such as Apple Watch, Microsoft Band, and Android Wear. We're also very grateful to have a strong advisory team who helped us a lot with technical development and refining our business strategy. To date, we have built those sample apps for you to try out yourself at our booth today. And we also are in the process of filing provisional patent. And moreover, we have users lined up for beta testing our apps. To move forward, we are seeking guidance in designs to help us to improve the user experience in our apps and API. We're also looking for expertise in running a SaaS model company. And for the showcase today, please come to our booth to try out our live demo. And if you have your smartwatch, please come to our website to sign up for the beta testing of our apps. We really appreciate your help. We are SenseWatch, and we help you to make sense of your smartwatch. Thank you.